Hi, this is Hayden. I want to show you how to post a YouTube video in our discussion board area. I'm going to come over to the menu and click discussion board to bring up the discussion board forums. And then I'll scroll down a little bit here and click on the discussion board forum entitled Anxiety Disorder Videos to enter that area. And at this point there aren't any other threads, so I'm going to be the first to create a thread. I'll click create thread and then I'll give it a title, and probably your name is sufficient. In this case I'll put Hayden's example. And you might experience this. I have it happen all the time. I'm typing along and then suddenly I'm not able to type in the area that I'm typing. But if I come down to this message area and click once and then click back into this, in this case the subject area, I can continue typing. So Hayden's example. All right. So now this is where you're going to post your YouTube video. And here's probably the easiest way to do it. You see these tools that are here in this visual text box editor area. Now if you happen by chance not to see them, it probably means that that area is collapsed, and I'll show you. It could possibly look like this, and you're saying, well, where are those tools? What you have to do is click this little down pointing arrow, both of them, and then you get these row of tools. In this case we're interested in the last one on the bottom row, which says add mashup. So I'm going to click that once, and then you can see the first entry is YouTube video. I'll click that once, and that will bring up a search box. So I'm interested in anxiety disorder video, so I'm going to type in anxiety disorders, and then I'm going to click the little go button. Now at this point it will take a fair amount of time probably to actually populate the list, because there are an awful lot of anxiety disorder videos at YouTube, and you've probably observed the same thing that I have, and that is that the videos at YouTube are very, very uneven. There are some really good ones, good in the sense good for academic purposes, and then there are many that are not good at all for our purposes. But in any event, the list will populate at some point, and I'll scroll down here all the way down just to show you. So there's 106 pages of anxiety disorder videos. But so this is going to be a little bit of trial and error. You just have to look at a few and then pick out one that you like or you think is good, that either portrays an anxiety disorder well, or and this would be just as good, a video that does a really poor job, that in other words has a lot of misinformation. That would be okay as well. The other criterion that you should use is they should be short. I would say certainly under 10 minutes. Try to keep it closer to 5 minutes or even shorter. And so what you're going to do is you're going to find one that meets all those criteria. You're going to post it in our class, and then you'll give a short statement about why you thought this was a worthwhile video for us to watch. Okay, so by way of example, I'm looking at this one here that's 2 minutes and 20 seconds, so that's fine. I can read a little bit about it here. It seems like the person has some credentials, so let's say I'm fine with that one. At that point I click the select link, and that then is asking me, do I want to add this to the course? And I do. And I do want to have the view be thumbnail, so that is there by default, so that's fine. There's no need to show the YouTube video URL because you're going to be playing it right here. And show YouTube information, probably yes is good to make sure it's checked, because that will show the time of the video. Okay, so let's say I'm fine with all that stuff. I click submit. And then in that area is the video, and you can see here that if you click the, let's see, I think I have to click submit. That is truly the one I want. And so once I do that, it'll bring me back to that forum, and then you can see here's my example, and I'll click once on that, and then that will bring up the video, and it will show the duration, and sometimes there's a little more information, but at this point you can watch the video, and you click the play and you've all done that, so I don't have to go through that process. And then what you'll do is you'll click reply, well actually not to your own, but when you start watching these, you'll click reply and post a response to 2 or 3 of the videos that other people have put in there. Okay, so I'll click OK, and I think that's all I needed to show you. Okay, so good luck, and I'm looking forward to having some really good videos to watch. Bye now.